Yes, mountain lions do live out here in the west, in the wild west of Colorado. This one happened to find a puddle right in front of our trail cam. Little did we know. In daytime, too. It's a rare treat to see a lion in daytime. They do prefer night. Coyotes as well. This is a beautiful one out on the prairie. Pronghorn antelope on the prairie as well. I sped this video up a little bit. They prefer wide open spaces, and you won't find these in canyons. My favorite coyote video. It is gorgeous, the animal and the lighting. Guess who's back? Apex predator, no hurry. Another cat, a bit smaller than the mountain lion, but this one has been very busy. There are about 3 of them there, usually. They don't come by at the same time. Mama fox looking for food for her little ones. And then this herd of elk. These are bull elk. They have lost their antlers, which soon will be growing back. A bachelor group. These bull elk get along just fine until rutting season, and then they become fierce enemies for a short while. Rather big, magnificent animals. This one still has his antlers on. Who we got here? A harrier hawk on a snowy day on the plains of Colorado. This one stood on one leg for about half an hour, tucks the other one in. This buck still has his antlers on. They will be coming off any time now. The lion makes its rounds. Comes around, about once a month, and this one's got a scar on its back there by the tail. A very thirsty coyote. And the bobcat is back. As I said, there are about 3 of them, and there's one, this one here, with the most beautiful coloring. Our bachelor group. Mule deers, these are does, coming in for a drink, out on the prairie, way out east Colorado. And the mama fox, red fox, beautiful color. There's also a gray fox. This one is really shy. Nickname for this one is jackalope. It's really a jackrabbit. Another inhabitant of the prairie. Look at those ears. Mostly nocturnal. And an owl. Hoo hoo hoo. Thirsty animals, we often see them. There isn't much water on the prairie, and when indeed it rains or when there's a puddle somewhere, they all gather to drink. Mule deer again. Now Porky, I call him Porky. It's a porcupine who lives in the ground, way out east in Colorado. We haven't seen him in a long time. We hope he just moved to another part of some pasture. We keep looking for him, but he's saying thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, please subscribe below. Thank you.